Hello everybody, in this video I will explain the article that I have written about multiple files uploaded in ASP.NET and ASP.NET and jQuery. In order to use jQuery to upload the file, I have used a plugin that is available on fineworks.com website. It is here. You can go ahead and download that. Let me open that website. You can download the plugins from here. When you will download the plugin, you will notice that you will have a lot of few other JS file also, but I am more interested in jQuery.multiplefile.pack.js. So let me go. I'm clicking, and this is what my code is. This is some CSS class file that I have used in order to make the page look and feel good, like Arial and those stuff, Arial font and those stuffs. Then I have referred jQuery.js file, and then jQuery.multifilepack.js. This is the plugin that is available in jQuery to upload a single. Now this is my page. You can see that the end result is this. Click one by one button and see how it works. So first let me upload a single file. So I have uploaded one file here. Once I click it, then it is firing upload file and private method, and it is passing the control that I have used to upload a single file. You can notice here file upload single, and this is the method button event that plain upload file, and it is firing. Now I have created a private method that will accept the file upload control that I want to validate and upload the file from. So first it is checking whether I have given any file in this or not. So in this case I have given. If I have given any file, I have selected any file, then it will fetch true, and it will go ahead. Then got one path, and then I'm getting the file name from the user selected file, and then I'm getting the extension. I'm checking the extension whether it is GIF or JPG. If it is GIF and JPG, then I will allow file upload, otherwise I will not allow the file upload, and I will show a message. Only GIF and JPG files are allowed. Then I have saved the file. You will notice that I have got a message itfunda.gif uploaded successfully. Let us go and see whether this file is there or not. Yes, I got this file. You can notice it here. Now in the same way the multiple file upload works. Here I have shown by default 4 browse button. If you want to add, you can click this button. All the codes are there in the sample that I have attached in this article, and you can click any of the browse button from this multiple file upload and select the data. You will notice that I have selected it here. Let me select on PNG, GIF, and I'm clicking submit button. We'll notice that when this submit button has been clicked, then my plain upload files event has fired. That has multiple file upload, this one, and internally it is calling this plain upload files, and then again it is calling file upload using jQuery selection method. There are two ways I could have done that. First way is to call the upload file using ASP.NET method one by one and pass the file upload control one by one. File upload 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way I will have to call this control 8 times because I have 8 file upload control here, and that will be taken care. This upload file using ASP.NET method will take care of everything. If I have selected any file, then it will come into this condition, otherwise it will simply go here and it will say please select a valid file. But in this case I am calling, I have commented this out, in this case I am calling file upload using jQuery selection method. So let's go ahead and see what is there inside. In this method I am getting all the files control that is available on the page. So in this space you can see that there are 8 here, 9, 10, 11. You can see that it is showing me that there are 11 keys, the files, file upload control, and I will try to fetch each one of them one by one. You can see that first I am getting the first file upload control, and then I am searching whether first one, you will notice that first is this one. So this will doesn't have any content, so it is not going to that loop, into that condition. Second also doesn't have, third have. You can notice that first, second and third has. So it has come into this particular condition. I have got the path, then I've got the file name from the user selected file, and then saved. You notice that it will happen in this way, and ultimately it has uploaded all the files, .NET logo.gif, png and gif also. Notice that in this case I had not checked whether I need to upload the GIF image or JPG image, so it has uploaded PNG also. Let's see. You can see here .NET Funda.gif, .NET Funda logo.gif and itfunda.gif. Now let's see how this jQuery works when we try to upload a file on the server. I clicked a file from here, and as soon as I selected this an image and took my focus out of that control, the same file has been added here. This is the functionality that is being done by this particular file, jQuery multifile.pack.js. This is a plugin that is available in jQuery. Now let me submit it. When I submitted it, jQuery upload file event is firing. You will notice that this event is here, jQuery single file upload. And let's see what is happening inside. So it is calling this particular method, jQuery file upload is calling file upload using jQuery selection method, and it is coming here in the same way. It is taking all 11 controls that is there in the file, but because I have selected only one file from this particular control, so it will just take only one and it will upload that file. Now you may ask a question that why we are trying to get all the request.files instead of getting only one. See, in the normal scenario what will happen is that when you will have any page, you will have only one or two file upload controls. So and whatever images will be or files will be selected from file upload control, that will be taken care by either this way or either this method. In this case, because I'm trying to show everything on a single page, so I'm getting all the files upload control here. Now let us see the jQuery multiple file upload. I'm selecting one file, but you can see that it is saying that you cannot select a GIF file, try again, because in the client side I had specified that you explain this, what is this class multi. It means that this instruct the file upload control that the user will be selected, will be able to select multiple file from this particular file upload control, and except equal to PNG and JPG, this will instruct the application that user should be able to only select PNG or JPG file. If it will select any other file apart from PNG or JPG, it should show a message. That's what is happening here. So now let me select a PNG image. You can see that PNG is available. Now if I will select now let me select a JPG file from here. So it is a JPG, and you can see that I am able to select multiple file from this particular control. Now let's submit it. Once I submitted, this jQuery upload files event is firing. You can notice it here, jQuery multiple upload file with JPG, and sorry, this is now it is again calling the same method, file upload using jQuery selection method, and whatever file upload control will have some user selection, it will come into that particular loop and it will upload the file. So you can see that my two image has been uploaded. Hope this video will be useful for you all. Keep watching this my forthcoming videos, and sharing your knowledge on .NETFunda.com. Thank you very much.